Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ashwani Pawar, you're watching Asian Tech. So lately I've been traveling a lot and that made me realize why not create a video about what's in my tech backpack. As a part-time YouTuber, full-time analyst, these are the things that carry almost every time I step out of the house, and they help me to be more productive at my work and create better content for you guys. And with that being said, let's jump into the video. And the first thing is my backpack. So my backpack is by InCase. I bought this backpack when I came to the US around 8 years ago for my master's program, and this backpack has been my companion ever since. I absolutely love this backpack, never felt like upgrading it, and this is perfect for everything that I want to keep in my backpack. And it has plenty of room for almost everything. It can carry your iPad, your laptop, your headphones, your camera, and almost everything that you can imagine. And you will see that how much room is there in this backpack as I show you the things that are in there. So this backpack is around $199. There are two variants in it. The last time when I checked, I think I have the bigger one, and I will put link for everything in the description. So if you want to help the channel, use the link below. And with that being said, let's jump into the very first pocket. In the very first pocket, I have a mouse. This is by Apple, Magic Mouse 2. I do not carry my Logitech. I love that mouse, but this is the mouse I want to carry because it is very sleek and doesn't have a lot of weight to it. So this is the mouse I carry, because as an analyst, you do need a mouse to just hover around on your computer screen. That's the only thing in this zip. And let's move to the next zip. I think the next is the side zip. I don't think I keep anything in here, but I think I do have something in this one. So in this one, I have some cables. I carry a lot of USB-C cable because USB-C is the way to connect nowadays, and I have an Apple cable to charge my iPhone. Nothing fancy, you can find these on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link for them as well. And moving to the top zip, and in here I have a mint, just in case you had some onion in your lunch. This is the thing to eat after that to keep you feel fresh, right? And then I have a band-aid. I wear a lot of loafers and they give me shoe bites sometimes, and having a band-aid helps me out with that. And why not? Band-aid is a good thing to carry, right? So I have one there, and then I have my AirPods. So these are the regular AirPods by Apple. I love them. I do not step out of my house. It makes my life easier. I just love them. You will never see me attending a phone call without them, unless I'm at an event and I cannot put these on, and this is the way to go. That's it in this one. Let's move to the next zip. In this zip, I do have a lot of stuff. So the very first thing is the DJI Osmo. Ever since I started creating content back in January, this is the first thing that I bought. This is the tripod to create videos using phone, and I would highly recommend it in case you use your phone to record your content. I absolutely love it. The battery life is amazing. It starts working as soon as you flip this thing, and it turns on, connects with your phone instantly, and it is just perfect. There are so many modes in the DJI Osmo app that you can use to whatever type of content you're creating. I was recording almost all my videos on this in the beginning. Now I do have a camera from Sony. I don't carry that one, but this is the one thing that I carry just in case I want to record a video using my phone. And it does come in this small carry pouch, so it's easy to carry that. And next thing, I have a small notepad. I do carry this. I think I'll have one more in my bag, and I love writing, and this small thing can go in my pocket and I just can write wherever I want. I do carry these a lot, and whenever I have an idea, I just put them right there so that I don't forget about them. And then I have few pens. As I said, I love writing and I'm very old school, so I use these. I have two fountain pen and one regular ballpoint pen, and these are from Amazon, and I absolutely love them. And then I have my camera. So I do not carry my camera, as I've already said. I do carry an action camera, which is GoPro Hero 11, and I play a lot of cricket, and this is good to record how am I doing, and this I carry it to record anything that may interest me, and it is perfect. really records good quality video, and I've been recording on this as well as on my phone when I started this channel. So highly recommend this if anybody is in the market for a action camera. And then finally, not finally, there are more things. Power brick. This is a regular power brick by Apple. I use this to charge my laptop, my iPad, my phone, or anything which I can charge. And then I think this is the last item in this pocket. It is my SSD drive. This is by Samsung. I bought the one with the fingerprint. I don't know why, but I would highly recommend anybody who is creating content and they need space, they should go with an SSD drive. This is by Samsung. Amazing drive, really light, looks really good, and I don't think it's very expensive. So really good drive to buy. I bought it when I started recording a lot of videos and started clicking a lot of pictures. I think that is it in this pocket. And now the main compartment. In this compartment, I do have a lot of stuff. The first thing is the book. I like reading. I try to read as much as I can. Currently, I'm reading this book, and whenever I'm traveling to a different city, I try to read at least some pages on the airplane if I'm not watching a movie. And this is an amazing book. If anybody wants to read a good book, this is a highly recommended book. I think I've only read a couple of chapters in there, and so far the experience is really good. So in case you like reading, try this one. Amazing book. Then I have my AirPod Max. I don't even have words to explain how much I love these. I bought these around a year ago, and now they're my permanent companion. I absolutely love them. If I'm stepping out to walk my dog, I carry these. If I'm traveling, I carry these. Amazing battery life, amazing noise cancellation. Overall, Apple fanboy, so I bought these. I love them, and I love the color. Blue is my color. As you can notice, my backpack is blue, my t-shirt is blue, my headphones are blue. So that's the reason. And the notebook is blue. This is another notebook that I carry to take notes or anything that I want to do. And you will always find me carrying one notebook with me all the time. So that is it. Then I have my keyboard. I'm an analyst who loves recording video. And for an analyst, it is very important to have a keyboard and a mouse and a portable monitor. And for my keyboard, I carry my Apple keyboard because it is very sleek. It gets the job done. I do not like it as much as I like my Keychron, but this is the second best option. So because of its sleek design, I carry it. And finally, this is probably the star of this entire video. This is my portable monitor. I think every analyst, in order to be more productive, they should have an external monitor. If you haven't invested in one, I would highly recommend it. It will change your life. And I do not step out of my house without this. This is by UPerfect. It is just 70 bucks. But amazing at the price point. It is an amazing product by UPerfect. I'm gonna put the link for this one in the description, so feel free to check it out. And if you haven't invested in an external monitor, please do it. It will change your life. So that will go there. I don't have enough space. I've been using my kitchen island to record this video. And then I think that is it in this pocket. Then finally, there's a side pocket dedicated for your iPad or your tablet. And I have an iPad 11-inch. It is an iPad Pro. I have a pencil in case I want to write. I usually use this to watch a movie or a TV show. I don't use it to draw or do anything of that sort. Just a regular user of an iPad. And then finally, the powerhouse. There's a dedicated pocket for your laptop, and this is the powerhouse of my entire content creation journey, as well as whatever I want to do with my laptop. This is the machine. I bought it in 2021 or 2022 whenever Apple came out with this design. This is M1 powered, an amazing machine. It is old, but it is amazing. The rendering time is awesome, and I absolutely love it. And I probably want to upgrade it this time or whenever Apple launches the new one. But this is the laptop that I use. And with that being said, this is everything I have in my backpack. I at least carry most of them, like my portable monitor, my laptop, my iPad. But this is my backpack, and let me know what you think, and if anything interests you. All the links are going to be in the description. And if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much.